So where are you off to today?
Oh, it's the weekend, baby, so I'm going to a pool party.
Oh, you're going to a pool party?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds fun. I mean, have a great time for sure.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All of my girls, we literally all just got broken up with, so we're about to go through a party and, I don't know, try to feel better.
Yeah, no, definitely. That's
What
gotta
are you
get
doing
some.
today?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Just driving Uber, you know, trying to make a quick buck and pay off the bills.
You're not doing anything fun on the weekend?
No, I'm just I gotta drive Uber, you know, so that's it.
You need to make money?
I do need to make money. Yeah, I got a credit card I'm trying to pay off, and we'll see what.
Okay, how about this? So we really need to make like my ex jealous.
Oh,
How about you just like go to the party with me and be my +1?
you want me to go to the party with you?
Duh.
You said it's
gonna be the best. Like, it's literally one of the hottest summer or pool parties
Yeah, exactly.
this week.
So, I mean, people are gonna be in their bathing suits, right?
Yeah, Steve Aoki is literally gonna be there.
Okay, well, I mean, I don't want to go shirtless because I feel self-conscious about my body.
It's literally just to make my ex jealous, and there's gonna be a bunch of girls there.
Are they gonna be in their bikinis?
Duh.
Okay,
It's
well,
a pool party.
I gotta ask my mom first, because, I mean, I don't know if I don't know you. You're like a stranger.
Why are you doing Uber if you can't even go to a pool party?
I mean, I'm just trying to make, this is my job.
Okay, and I'm saying I can pay you to go to a cool pool party.
You're gonna pay me to go on a date with you?
Yeah.
What are you, like a sugar mama?
No, but I'll make it work.
Okay, fine. As
Yeah.
long as I don't need to talk to anyone, I'll go.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we need to go that way, actually.
To the right?
Yeah, we need to stop at the gas station.
What's at the gas station?
We gotta get a chaser.
A chaser? Who
Yeah.
who are we chasing?
Oh, we gonna drink, baby.
Like Kool-Aid, right?
Yeah, something like that.
All right, cool. I'm down for Kool-Aid. I love Kool-Aid. You know, red is my favorite.
Uh-huh.
I love the flavor red.
Uh-huh.